Hey guys, how you guys doing today? So today I'm just going to be going over how to use the simple loan calculator in Excel. It's a pretty awesome tool they have. This file is already in Excel. As soon as you have the Windows Excel on your computer, you just click Excel and then you open it up. It's called the simple loan calculator. I'm just going to do a quick breakdown on how you use this tool. All right. So right now I've already entered in the loan amount. Right now in the Arizona area where I'm from, a house ranges anywhere from, just depending on the size, an average house is probably about 325,000. So I just put that in there. You can easily just change that, put it to whatever house you're looking for. All right. Then you have your annual interest rate, 3.5. That's a little high for right now. I would say, let's bring it down a little bit. Let's see if you can get a 2.75 right now. I know the rates are crazy low. I'll enter that in. There's a loan period. You can do a 30-year loan or a 15-year loan, just whatever you have. You put that in there. Right now I have it at 30 years. So this breakdown is pretty cool. It tells you your monthly payment right here. So if I got a home loan for $325,000 at 2.75% of an interest rate over a lifetime of 30 years, my monthly payments will be $1,326.78 a month. The number of payments would be 360. The total interest you would spend on your home would be $152,642. So that's how much the loan cost. In other words, the total cost of the loan would be 477,642, and the loan amount would be 325,000. All right, so that 152,642 is what you're paying in interest. That's going to be added to this number up here, which gives you this number down here. Another cool thing about this is you can actually see how much you're going to pay on each date. So for an example, if we look over here on January 19th, 2020, on this date, we will have a balance of $319,713. Our payments will still be $1,326. And what you're paying towards the principal, which is knocking down this number right here, is $594.11. Your interest is going to be $732.68. All right. So when you subtract this principal amount from the beginning balance, this is where you get the end balance. $731 or $732 is what you're just paying towards interest, which accumulates to your total interest price right here. So it's pretty interesting. As you can see, you pay more interest upfront. Yeah, so as you can see, you pay more interest upfront and your principal is less. But as we scroll down and get farther in your 8 years, if we're looking at 2026, that's where it starts to change. You pay about an equal amount in interest as you do as principal. And then as you get towards the end of the life of the loan, you see how that starts to change and you start paying more towards principal and less towards interest. All right, so this tool is a very good tool to give you an idea of what you can afford, how long it will take you to pay off, how much you're paying in interest, your beginning and end balance. It's a very, very cool tool. So let's say we wanted to pay, oh, what happened there? Let's say we wanted to pay it off. We got a 15-year loan. You can see how that changes your whole calculations right there. So we did a 15-year loan, you're paying half the amount in total interest, and it lowers the total cost of your loan by a lot. So you can kind of plug in your numbers, but your monthly payment is going to be more. So you're going to have to take a look at that, see if that's something you can afford. This tool's awesome just to kind of plug numbers, figure out what interest rate you want, how much home you can afford, and the monthly payments that you'll be expected to pay. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like the video. If you have any other recommendations, leave those down in the comments as well. I'd be more than happy to just to kind of explain whatever it is you have questions with on Excel. Thank you and have a great day.